Ayong pag-end nyo. Now let's talk about the Yang Weimai or the Yang Linking Vessel clinical applications. Let's have first a quick review of the Yang Linking Vessel. Its opening point is triple burner 5. Its coupled point is GB41. Starting point, bladder 63. Accumulation point, GB35. Area of body influenced, the lateral aspect of leg, sides of body, lateral aspect of neck and head, and ears. The Yang linking vessel connects all the Yang channels. The Yang linking vessel starts at bladder 63 and goes up to GB35, which is its accumulation point. It travels up the thigh to the gallbladder 29, rises up the hypochondrium and to the shoulders at Li14, where it connects with the large intestine, small intestine, and bladder channels, then ascends to triple burner 13 and triple burner 15. It then goes to gallbladder 21, where it connects with triple burner, gallbladder, and stomach channels, goes to the back of the shoulders to small intestine 10, where it connects with small intestine channel and the Yang stepping vessel. It then rises up behind the ear to reach GB20, where it intersects with the triple burner and gallbladder channels, goes to GB19, GB18, 17, 16, 15, and to the forehead to gallbladder 14, where it connects with gallbladder, triple burner, large intestine, and stomach channels. It then proceeds to the forehead, enters the eye, and ascends to gallbladder 13. Here are the points of the Yang linking vessel. We have bladder 63, gallbladder 35, gallbladder 29, Li14, triple burner 13, triple burner 15, gallbladder 21, Si10, GB20, GB19, GB18, GB17, GB16, GB15, GB14, and GB13. Its clinical applications. First, for intermittent fevers. The Yang linking vessel is used for intermittent fevers on alternation of chills and fever. These are symptoms of affection of the lesser Yang stage in the 6-stage patterns of penetration of exterior pathogenic factor. The symptoms at this stage is alternation of chills and fever because the pathogenic factor is lodged half in the interior and half in the exterior. Some doctors say that all the Yang channels are linked by the Yang linking vessel at gallbladder 20. They say that this point's action of expelling external wind is due to its relation with the Yang linking vessel, not the gallbladder. On the other hand, its action of extinguishing internal wind is, on the contrary, due to its relation with the gallbladder. For the sides of the body, the Yang linking vessels exerts its influence on the sides of the body and is used for such symptoms as hypochondrial pain, pain in the lateral aspect of the leg, such as sciatica along the gallbladder channel, and pain in the lateral side of the neck. For ear problems, the Yang linking vessel affects the ear and can be used for ear problems due to the rising of liver fire, such as tinnitus and deafness. It can also be used in any ear diseases caused by a gallbladder disharmony, such as ear discharge from damp heat in the gallbladder.